In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to download and install Visual C++ Windows 11 or 10 latest version. Let's begin. So first thing that you want to do is head over to the start icon here by the taskbar. Then in the search bar at the top, you are going to type in add or remove programs. Select the first option. In the search bar at the top, you can type in Visual. And after typing Visual, you're going to see all the Visual C++ that you have on your computer, and all the different versions, and which different years of it. Now, if you want to download the latest version of it, then a link will be provided in the description. So here it is, Microsoft Visual C++. Now, if you scroll down, you're going to see there are different versions of it. So there's the 86-bit version, 64-bit, and then the ARM64. Now, if you want to know which version is correct for your system, you're simply going to go to the Start option here by the search bar. Then type in System and select System Information. Then look for something which says System Type. Now next to System Type, it's going to tell you the architecture that your computer is basically running. So mine is 64-bit. Then afterwards, you're simply going to select the 64-bit version. But if yours is 86-bit or is ARM64, then you select the other two versions. If you want to download the file, simply select the highlighted link. Then wait for the download. Once it is done, select Open. Agree to the license terms and conditions, then select Install. Afterwards, it's going to ask you to restart your computer before you can use the software. So simply head over to the bottom right and then select Restart. And you're going to have the latest Visual C++ on your computer. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.